Okay, sir, can I get your first and last name?
Frank Sampson,
Frank, how do you spell your first name?
Frank,
And your last name?
Sampson, Samson.
Okay, and just talk about what's going on.
Stuck in the storm till one of these on-ramps opened.
And where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Reno going home to Lake County.
And at what point did you decide to pull over?
When I started losing traction and it just getting a little dangerous.
And do you remember about what time this was at?
Tell you, probably a little bit before 4.
And seems like, do you normally just drive through Interstate 80?
Yes.
Okay. And you ever experienced anything like this before?
Yeah, but not this bad.
And you know, just talk about, you know, those moments, you know, when you're driving and you realize you couldn't do this anymore.
Yeah, I was in first or second gear, 15 miles an hour, and I was losing traction, so I decided to pull over.
And you know, you've been here since, right?
Yes.
Since what time?
Before 4.
And you know, have they told you when, you know, you would be able to go home, or when they would clear the roads?
No, they said that the main line is what they're worried about right now, and then they're worried about the off ramps and on ramps after.
Okay. So it seems like it's basically like last priority then, right?
Yeah.
Wow. And how you feeling?
I'm good.
Yeah. Are you well prepared for this?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Alrighty. Is there anything else?
No sir.
And where are you headed?
To Lake County.
Lake County. Okay. So that was like, you already had a couple hours of you know, your route, your travel, right?
Yeah. Yep.
And then now you're just delayed.
Yep. Stuck.
What are your family members saying? Have you told them?
Yeah. They just said be careful.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Appreciate it. Thank you, Frank.